like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Different for me, y'all know I'm not really a hair girly, but I actually have a couple wigs coming up because I was vlogging about that, and I said, you know, y'all know the move finally happened. I am getting settled in, and I just feel so at peace now, and I can tell because the creativity is coming back to me. I am thinking of all the things that I want to do as far as content goes, and the wigs are going to help with that. Switch out different looks for different styles, you know, different hair colors, lengths. But like I said, I'm not a wig girly, so I needed real beginner friendly, real easy to install, real I can actually just put it on and take it off, because y'all also know I don't sleep in wigs. And I consulted with Tasha because y'all know she is just my go-to girly when it comes to hair, especially wigs. And so if she didn't give me the okay, I just kept going in the email. So first up, I got this wig that I have on from Alipearl. So if you guys want to know more about this wig and how we got to this stage, let's go. All right, y'all, so this is a pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut glueless wig, 100% glueless. You can take it off and put it on easily every day, everywhere, which is exactly what I need. Okay, I need seconds to install with little to no skills. So that's what it looks like on the head. No, nothing else. Ooh. One thing about it, she gonna blind me with that light. That's what it looks like if you just put the wig on just like that. And is it not giving if this was tinted?
Yes, the part is there.
Listen, when Kia likes it, that's how you know it's good.
I like it. I definitely like it.
So she's going to style it, and then I'm going to do the rest on my own.
We're gonna cut some layers, and then Shanine is going to go home and show y'all the rest.
And it has upgraded single knot, so only 1 to 2 hairs on one knot. Like I said, I need something very beginner friendly, which you'll see once I actually go to put it on that it actually is, but I'm not there yet when I can cut layers, especially layers like Kia can in my hair. So that is why I went to her, so she could cut the layers in. But if you know how to do that at home, then it really will be easy peasy, take it out, throw it on, and go about your day. All right, y'all, so here is the wig. I'm getting ready to put it on now that the easy part's been done for me and the little layers have been cut into it. I'm gonna use the Fenty foundation stick to tint the lace. Okay, before I put it on, can we just talk about how a fresh braid down just takes 20 years off your life? I'm about to start acting like those millennials that say, I'm 35, don't I look 18? Don't I look just like someone's gonna ask me what time does school start? Yeah, but no, really, Kia, mind you, like this isn't even her thing. This is the braid down that she might do for like a quick weave or something like that, but you see how it's, yeah. All right, y'all, so that is what she looks like directly, just plopped on my head. You know, if you see lace, that means you a little too close to my face. But I'm gonna add a little adhesive because I need to. Okay, so this is probably the part that I'm most excited about. It's actually styling the wig. You know, she cut all the layers in it for me, so I better be giving cash doll by the time I'm ready to step out the door. I need to be ready to step out the door in an hour and a half. So let's go. So I have the T3. This is the barrel that I'm using because I'm pretty sure the other one might be a little too big for the, but we here, so we just gonna go into it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really be caring about the bottom of the hair when I gotta curl it. You know, it's the top that I'm more focused on, but I still put an effort. I just, you know, slack off a little bit. I'm trying to use the viewfinder to see and not burn my finger off. Ooh, finger a little hot to the barrel. All right now. Okay, hair is curled. I'm gonna go do my makeup really quick, take this down, and we should be ready to go. I got about 40 minutes left, so I feel like I can do this. I can do it. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I got 8 minutes. I'm gonna shake this out, put my lashes and my lip on, put my outfit on. I feel like I can do that in 8 minutes. Yeah, we'll see, hold on. All right, y'all, so that is it. I am done. Ready to go. Not on time, but at least I'm done and ready to go. So that is what she looks like up close and personal. Again, if you see any lace, you're just looking too hard. So thoughts on this wig. I tried running my fingers through it right out of the packaging to see if there was any shedding. She cut layers into it. I tried to see like maybe that, you know, would cause any shedding, but I'm not seeing any. Running my hands through it, running a brush through it. So there's minimal shedding for right now. Don't know once this is washed, but of course I will keep you updated on that. Other than that, she real bouncy, she real flirty, takes really well to heat. I like her. And of course this style, absolutely positively. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of content that I have planned with this style and the next one that I have to show you guys. I am really excited, and that's, like I said, that is why I am doing it, because I just have a lot on my mind, and the hairstyles are going to go with it, and it just makes it a lot easier. So I will have all of the information in the description down below if you would like to check this wig out for yourself. But yeah, I'm going to go get started on some of that content I was talking about. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.